Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of May 6th through the 12th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. It's getting heavy and hard to flip, but the cover, front page, you guys know what it looks like at this point. For this week, I'm using this kit from Lovely Planner Blog. Honestly, I have no recollection of what it's called. We'll figure that out. Look below in the title / description. It'll be there. But it's this super cute floral kit that is kind of, you know, like spring into summer vibes, because it says every day is one step closer to summer. So I thought it was perfect for this time of year where we're hopefully transitioning from spring to summer. So I pulled out this kit. I did need to pull in some washi to help with this. So I pulled in these two, which are from a American Crafts, I believe, washi set that came from Michaels. I'm going to use, I think, both on the bottom like this, and then just the floral one along the top. I shouldn't need any other washi to divide the boxes, but I did pull out this very skinny one with hearts that came from Amazon, just in case I need that for anything. And then for writing the days of the week and things like that, I pulled out my trusty gray mild liner, which I use all the time. So I think I'm gonna just take all this stuff and get all of the boring bits set up. I did clean off all my washi on here, so now I can hopefully stick things to it again successfully. And then there's my print pression slice tool. So I'm going to get all of that stuff done, and then I will be back so that we can talk through the interesting bits. Okay, here's where we're at so far. I think it's looking pretty good. I'll do a little wiggle and a twerk. It is rose gold foiled, more or less. I put the weekend banner kind of in the middle here, just so that it wouldn't cover up any of the interesting bits of any of the washi. So to start out with, I need to stick a full box here, and I think the one with the quote makes the most sense. This was the quote box spot back in the day, for those of us who've been in this planner community for a long time. So it's a perfect place to stick it. There we go. And then we need to cover the rest. So my plan is to line up with the top line, and I think that should make everything work out. So we have two greens, they don't exactly match, two girls, and then the hand, and then these two that are empty. So I think that's how I'm gonna match them up. Empty boxes, meaning, you know, they don't have as much deco filling them all the way. So I'm gonna start with the hands here on Thursday. There we go. Slightly crooked, but close enough. I think we're okay. Usually I end up putting these two empty boxes, as it were, out here at the beginning and end of the week. Because I feel like for whatever reason, those are the days most likely to need some extra stuff. So if I don't have enough space for the things I need, I can put stuff into these boxes. I then kind of want to divide up the pink and the girls a little bit. So I think I'm going to stick this one here. That one is very crooked, but we're going to make it work. And then here, hopefully this turns out okay. And then over here, I'm sticking in this one. Another one I got kind of crooked. Once I stick in everything for the week, it's usually not noticeable though. Okay, there, that's all that stuff sorted out. So I think we are doing great. So starting on the sidebar, I do want to stick in, I think, all 3 habit trackers. I'm going to leave just a tiny gap here. And then another tiny gap. There we go. The 3rd one with a 3rd tiny gap that is not straight. I never go back and fix them because it's just close enough. And then the meal planning again with a tiny gap. There we go. And that fills up all the lines. So I think that looks pretty good. Moving on to the weekday plans. I don't think I need too many of the things that are in here right now. So I'm just going to skip all of them. So starting out, I want to mark work. I do have these foiled bows, but I don't think I want to put in bows for this week. I think I want it to kind of just stay like very soft. Maybe I'll use these flat lays. So these are flat lays from Creative Cavern Studio. I think these are gonna actually work out really well. So I'm gonna stick in one here, and let's see. This one I think will work. I honestly think I can put in the black without it being too intense. So stick in that one, and then I think it was this pink. Hasn't been used yet. Yeah, let's go with that. Okay. Hopefully you can't hear my cats freaking out in the background. They're being super annoying. So that's done. Just dropped washi on the floor. We're doing great. I do also have, oh, I forgot to put this in, so I'm going to do that now. These are Piper Paper Company, Jessica Aaron Designs, Instagram stickers. I'm going to stick one of these right here for marking Instagram as one of my habits I'm tracking. And then I also have these Piper Paper Company neutral, whatever these are called, film tape things. I'm going to use these for my videos. I'm going to put them straight to counteract the kind of sideways of the work sticker so that it doesn't look too weird. But that's my plan with me on Monday. I literally have nothing planned for this week. So moving on to the second half, I'm going to stick these 2 guys down for work. I'm going to stick this guy down for whatever video goes up this day. And that is literally all I know right now. I know it's very bare, but it is what it is. This is where the pre-planning is at. Of course, I still have a good amount of stuff, which I will pull in for the actual week. I ended up with washi on the back of it, so need to collect that. But I'm going to stick that to the side to use for during the week, and then stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I'll do a little wiggle and a twerk. The washi is, I guess, a little shiny, but I think this week turned out really well, and it definitely looks fun and springy. The weather was a little all over the place, but I get spring in my planner at least. If I don't mention it, came from the kit from Lovely Planner Blog. I do have a few like functional things left over from that kit, which I will throw in my leftover stack. So as I mentioned, Lovely Planner Blog covered most of it. The washi is from an American Craft set that I got at Michael's. Going down the side, this is from Piper Paper Company, which is now Jessica Aaron Designs. I'm not sure if this is in her shop, but something there. All of these little flat lays are from Creative Cavern Studio. The little film strips are also those Piper Paper Company, Jessica Aaron Designs. Sorry if you can hear my cat in the background. Another Creative Cavern Studio. This is a leftover, I think, from Plannerology Studio, although I'm not totally certain there. This is from a Hobby Lobby Agenda 52 book. These 2 are both from Wonton and a Million by Craftsmith books. another Agenda 52 Hobby Lobby, and then the pen along the top is a zebra mild liner. And I think that's pretty much everything that didn't come from the kit. So this week was really good, very busy, but definitely got some things done on the weekend as well. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below. If you don't have anything to say, leave me some sort of flower emoji. It seems like another floral kind of week here. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, show you bits and pieces of what I am reading, what's going on in my life, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.